the odds? Hey guys, what are the odds?
What are the odds of two boys failing?
Remote.
I mean, what are the odds of that?
Slim.
What are the odds of us making it down here on time?
Zip.
Hey, what are the odds that they'll see us? That they'll see the flare? Damn fine, damn fine.
I want to know how he's doing.
He could wake up tomorrow. He could stay like this forever. We really don't know.
Well, what are the odds?
It's hard to say.
Let me look. Ah, yes. Your size. What are the odds? Don't be jealous.
Everybody knows Lou Gehrig, the baseball player. He died of Lou Gehrig's disease.
Wow. What are the odds on that?
What are the odds of the two best hackers in the entire world being in LA at the same time, Stan? I'm just a sucker for Disneyland.
What are the odds of us stopping that from happening?
0.000000003%.
I'll take it.
What are the odds you and I'd end up at the same summer camp? Relax. It's not on you.
I was thinking the exact same thing. What are the odds?
What are the odds?
How far are you going?
Rockville Center.
Get out. Me too.
Really?
What are the odds?
Okay, Max, make a wish.
Wait. I don't know if we should do this.
Oh, Fletcher, come on. What are the odds of that happening again?
What brings you here?
Same as you.
You here to get a loan to open up a bakery?
Yes.
What are the odds of that?
Hey, Jimmy, Bobby here. How are you, my friend? Oh, never better, never better. Listen, what are the odds right now? Okay, put 15 grand on me to win.